Hello, in front of me I have Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smart band. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the D&D option. This is the Do Not Disturb mode option. Tap on it. And here we have a couple of options. We have off, scheduled, and all day. If the off option is selected, the Do Not Disturb mode will be turned off. If you select schedule, you will be able to set a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode to turn on automatically and turn off automatically. So basically we can tap on schedule, set the start time, so the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. Then we can tap on the check mark. We can set the end time, so the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning off. And once you're done, you can select it like this. And now your Do Not Disturb mode will be turning off and on automatically. And you can also select the all day option. If this option is selected, the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled and it's gonna stay on until you disable it. Okay, so once you enable the Do Not Disturb mode, you can go back to watch face, and on the watch face you will see that the icon will appear at the top of the screen, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable it, you need to go back to settings, Do Not Disturb, and select off. Come on. And once you select it and go back to watch face, you will see that the icon is gone. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.